What's up, guys? Welcome to AC Designs Garage, and today we're at my buddy's house picking up another C10 project, 1965 short bed, sweet patina on it and everything, like I need to know. This is project number 3, so I think we're going to build this and static drop it. We're going to 4-speed it, make more of a hot rod style C10 out of it, so hopefully one of you guys will own it time we're done with it. So this is going to be a multi-part series. I'm going to tell you a little bit what we're going to do. We're going to pancake the cross member and 2.5-inch drop spindles, and I'm going to move the engine and transmission up so nothing on the truck will drag, because I want this thing at a 4-inch ride height. Look like it's bagged, but it's just going to be all static drop. So we get this thing spun around and show you all the truck. All right, guys, we made it home with the truck, so all thing we're gonna do now is we're gonna unload it and put her off in the garage, get ready for the next step. Just make sure you drop in the comments below what you'd like to see us do this truck. But like I said, we're gonna slam it, put big wheels on it, and drive it down the road. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow along with the process. There's gonna be a lot of content on this truck. So God bless. We got it.